Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority MSLSA mentagasngi ka khanyo trigulber kala penlong ya ka program jinghikai na ka menta ke nong yalam Shnong ke nong yalam thau kabalong ru kum ka wei na ka thong ban penshai halor ki an bat ki lat jingirap na ka sarkar ha ka bayade bat ki kam an bat ha bagi pajba ke don kam ya ka jingirap na ka sarkar ya kane ka program jinghikai ka balatip kum ka mediation and community mediation na ka benta ki Rangbah Shnong bat kisiem ya kabala penlong ha umling CNRD block Haribhoi district ha gane ka program la shimenta lang dau TT M Sangma MJS officer on special duty ka MSLSA ka kong island khoi ka secretary ka DLSA Ribhoi district uba Eric Calvin Dekhar u BDO ka umling CNRD block pat kuntup kirang ba Shnong lembat kiwe de.
So we're having a training for the headmen on the something called the community mediation for the headmen. So what we plan to introduce is the principles of natural justice into the way justice is administered at the village level. So what this is a project which has been commissioned by the Department of Justice, and two districts have been chosen. Ribhoi being an aspiration district and West Garo Hills being a very diverse district. So we have different sorts of headmen and different slight variations in the way justice is administered. So the main object of this project that we are conducting, we're going to have a total of 32 trainings, about 800 headmen have been covered with this. And the initial part of the training has started today. There will be a 2-day training, one first day for theory and second day on the mock trial, so to say. So what we plan to do is to, in addition to the powers that they already exercise under, the customary practices and traditions, we plan to supplant it by maybe introducing the principles of natural justice into the way justice is administered, making justice more accessible, more fair, trying to balance the individual rights and also the power of the headmen without taking away any other powers from them. So these, as you all aware, that the 6th schedule of the Constitution, being a part of the Constitution, cannot be violative of any principles of the, or any articles of the Constitution. So we want to make the people aware of the powers that they can, the headmen especially, the powers that they can exercise, and also to balance individual rights. And so, the mediation is coming in a big way in, settling disputes, commercial disputes. There's a mandatory provision for mediation, and also we don't want to be left behind in that. So we want to, maybe settle disputes at the village level as soon as possible. So under this, we are covering all the nokmas, the headmen, whoever is exercising, the powers of administration of justice at the village level. So we've started with Ribhoi, and we plan to go to even West Garo Hills, and the target is about 800 headmen, and we plan to maybe round off by maybe July. So the deliverables are there, and this project, as I earlier said, is commissioned by the DOJ. So we hope by June and July we're able to do a study and also take feedback from the headmen on how it has gone about. So this is a brief about the training that we have in the at the moment that we're running. It's called it's a part of the access to justice from DOJ, and we have some material on this. It's called increasing access to justice through community mediation.
International Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority. District Legal Services Authority. Meghalaya बोल कि हम भाषणों की बात में awareness programs. You must be knowing what the District Legal Services Authority is. हम हिंदे shaphang the District Legal Services Authority. हमारे districts District Legal Services Authority. हम ये ट्रेनिंग building district and sessions court. The members of the District Legal Services Authority, the district and sessions judge, the chairperson, John Authority, the secretaries, the members group, the deputy commissioner, but the SPs. The but we the District Legal Services Authority, the I and the Yara mostly we do all lada ki kompaguma by the go at a cool application. Kiborio ki kam salia mansha court kamarba ki all the pilot kawaisa kabut. Expenses are there, so hence kilo apprehensive had the idea of mansha court. The district legal services authority there, I not equivalent, but one support that me I please tidak boleh kamu sio tingkali. Ini tidak dibuat dari kamu kita di LAC for the legal aid councils dan ini legal aid defense councils. Walaupun kita masa vet kita district legal services authority, ini I free legal services equivalent. Kalau kilo kira aku kasih he won support at District Legal Service Authority and in I applications job kilo kita case pinato ko kamaan ini ada nilai applications scrutinized but in I legal aid councils and legal aid defense councils which